Hello, my little cooks. I am Telmo, and the little girl that should be here is my sister Tula, and the both of us are the little cooks. But my sister is sick today. She's in bed and she's gonna get better soon. But in the meantime, I am king of the kitchen. Now we're going to make some great recipes. Yes! We could make pickled dinosaur, and a light bulb with cheese sauce, and a plane with a remote control and breadcrumbs, and a dinosaur with chocolate, and a piano with couscous, and a house, and a steamed dinosaur with an alien with cheese sauce. Hello, grown-up. You don't have to turn on the oven yet or anything else that a grown-up needs to do. For now, everything is under control. And you don't need to be in here. All right, whatever you want. This is much better. So where were we? Oh yeah. And 300 ingredients we'll need today are... Now let's see. No. None of that. Today's my day. The day that I've been waiting for. And but it's just that... Grown up, please. Let's make at least one of my recipes. For example, a dinosaur with lentils. Oh, darn it. All right. I think I prefer to have Tula. All right. Well, now let's see. Ahem. Today we're going to make salmon canapes. Oh, yeah, and some strawberry skewers with chocolate. Can I have the book, please? All right. And the ingredients we will need for the salmon canapes are smoked salmon, sliced bread, butter, lettuce, and chilled eggs. All right, let's see. And for the strawberry skewers with chocolate, we need strawberries, fondue chocolate, and some mint leaves. Good, now we have everything. First of all, before anything, we need to taste the chocolate to make sure it's okay. Oh, goodness, just a little taste. Just to make sure it's okay, we don't want to ruin the recipe now, do we? Well, that's a good start. All right, my friends, it's best if we start off by making the salmon canapes. It's very easy. The first thing we have to do is grab a slice of sandwich bread. If you like, you can also make a canopy. Good, but before anything, we put a nice layer of butter. We bring the slice of sandwich bread together with the butter like this. Grown up, you need to share. This is much better. Good, now we add a slice of salmon. Now you're learning. Good, and now... Well, when it comes to the lettuce, we can skip that, right, grown-up? Well, I guess not. Let's add the lettuce then. Good, now the most delicious part, the chilled egg. But this, grown-up, you've hardly left anything for me. This is much better now. Yes, much better. Grown-up, you need to learn to share things. Great. Now we just need to cover it with another piece of sandwich bread. Look at this, grown-up. It's nothing. Okay, now you have to cut it with a knife into 4 pieces. That's why they've become cute little canapes. Well, they haven't come out too bad. Now we have to make the strawberry skewers with chocolate. Well, as you can see, Grown Up has removed the stem from 10 strawberries with a knife. And in the meantime, I'm going to make sure the chocolate tastes... All right. It's absolutely perfect. Well, so now we have to heat up the bar of chocolate so that it's nice and melted. And since I can't do that, you will have to do it. Great. And while the chocolate is melting, we're going to put the strawberries onto the skewers. And to do that, we're going to... Wow! How did you do that? Do you also have superpowers? Okay, now we dip the skewers into the chocolate fondue. Oh no, we need the mint leaves! Great, and now grown-up will put the skewers into the fridge. And while we wait for the chocolate to cool down, we'll go over the ingredients. The ingredients for salmon canapes. Serves 2 slices of smoked salmon, butter, 2 eggs, 2 leaves of lettuce, and 4 slices of sandwich bread. Ingredients to make chocolate dipped strawberries. Serves 2. 10 strawberries, 1 bar of chocolate fondue, and 2 mint leaves. Well, it didn't come out too bad. We make a great team. Now we're going to give Tula a surprise, and we'll tell her we made it all on our own, without her help. She's not gonna believe it. Tula!